Chimpanzee populations have been decimated over the last 50 years. All that time, Earth-observing satellites like Landsat have documented the shrinking of their home, Africa's equatorial forest belt. The Jane Goodall Institute uses satellite data to empower local communities to drive conservation in their own landscapes. With support from NASA, JGI used Landsat data to create habitat suitability maps for chimpanzees. Mobile apps also bring in data in real time so communities can protect their forest reserves and create land use plans for watersheds, people, and chimpanzees. After years of forest loss, the last few decades have seen habitats recovering.
Sometimes you show a lush forest and then you show how a few years later it's devastated. There's just a few burnt stumps. But there are other images which show you a devastated landscape, and then 5 years later, trees coming back, regeneration, new hope, new life. The stories that you can tell around the images make something very, very powerful. And you need both to help people understand the devastation we've caused, but to give them hope that we can turn things around. And that's what these satellite images show so clearly.